Oh, horizontal.
South of I-40 on Tornado Road, south of I-40. It's going to be right here in front of me, Mike. It's coming down right now. Very, very, very low to the ground. The entire vortex coming down to the ground, Mike. I've got to back out of it. It's very, very close to my right now.
Wow.
Got it, Chris. Get ready to the front. Go. It's going east to us. Get ready to switch.
Ready?
Switch.
Windshield wiper once. Hurry. Good.
Whoa. Oh my God, this is not good. Not good, guys. Really bad. Hey, can you position the streaming camera?
Hey, stay on it, stay on it. Not good, not good.
Chris, get ready. Hold on.
Go, 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 go. No, I got it, I got it, I got it.
Hold on.
Stop.
Here you go.
Don't move.
Go. Don't move. Here, I got you. Hey, let's get on that road. Oh, wait, is that a road that goes east? Chris?
I don't know, bro. I don't have a map.
I need to get on it. Okay. Violent tornado. Let's intercept. Let's go forward. It's moving southeast. Moving southeast.
Dude, that's the scariest 200-yard ride of my life. My life flashed before my eyes.
I'm just glad you're okay.
Dude, I'm good. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
This is a dangerous situation for all of us. It's all about saving people's lives in our own backyard.
Chasing in Oklahoma is the most violent of the violent. That's why Reed is here.
Hi, I'm Reed Timmer, proud new member of the Forewarned Storm Team.
We are under a tornado watch until 10 p.m. tonight.
You can see the rising scud there, and that's the new circulation. That area could easily put down a tornado very soon.
And hey, it's Cantori, man. Right in the town of Edmond, Oklahoma.
Tornado on the ground.
Stop right here, that's the debris too big.
Maybe 50 yards right now. There's debris over my head.
Oh my God, it's a large wedge.
It's huge. Look at that, see the horizontal vortex?
Yes, this is a violent tornado, guys. Hold on. Careful. This is bad damage here. Good job. When a tornado is not moving side to side, it's coming right at you. This one is coming right at us.
Watch the door! We'll get ripped off.
Dude, we gotta go! Reed! Drive! Drive! All right, let's go forward! Go! You can see the tornado coming down.
That's violent.
Yes, it is. Oh, helical vortices! Right now, we got a violent tornado right over. See the helical configuration?
We're being debris right now. Windows up.
Drop down or not?
Go! We're going inside. Blast through. We're going inside it.
We're in it, guys. We're in it right now.
We're inside it! Back up. It's coming back at us. Slow down. You're good. You're fine. It's not coming fast. It's just getting wider, I think. Don't back up or I'm going to fall out of the car. Is this thing coming back at us? Watch the road, Joel. Because if this thing comes back at us, it's getting bigger. More tornado. We are in this circulation twice. We're going in. Ready? Let's go in. We got the satellite right here. Watch out for a satellite. Are you getting that? It's hitting trees. Please don't be any houses up there. It's getting bigger, isn't it? Listen to the roar. Listen to the roar. Listen to the roar. Look at how fast it's going. What's going on? Right now we've got an absolutely massive tornado. EF4, probably Please, Chris. Here. Chris, hand me the camera. Yeah, we gotta get next to that one, Joel. That's right where we need to go. Let Chris get it for 2 seconds. Follow shot. Sit back there. All right, let's get in this one.
Now 4 miles from the rendezvous point. We are northwest. There's 2 tornadoes on the ground. We are northwest of the rope that's touching down right now. It's violent. See it? Yeah, we're meeting at the same location. Yeah, we're meeting at the same location I was talking about.
Okay.
Left. Backside.
Major debris.
Okay, how far do we go here?
Keep going. Keep going straight for a long way. West Oklahoma City, West OKC, Reno Street, just southwest of El Reno. Circulation. It's a violent tornado back there, and this thing is getting stronger, getting bigger, getting wrapped in rain. This is a tornado that we do not want to intercept. This is a very violent tornado. People in the path of this thing need to be underground. They need to be in their tornado shelters.
We have Mark Dillard, we have Reed.
Road work, I had utility work, we're okay. Expanding.
Shut the windows. Press the parking brake. We're going down, guys.
Use this camera, use this camera!
Got it? Shit. Put on your seatbelt.